Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a laser hair removal gun. Looks like a gun. Looks like a hair dryer actually. And today I'm gonna unbox it. This is my first time seeing this product or use it, so bear with me. I want to thank this company for sending it to me. It looked interesting, so I was like, you know what, send it to me and let me play around with it. So if you're interested in this, let's get right into it. Once again, this is my first time using it, so I really don't have any experience with laser hair removal. But all I know is that this company, when they approached me, they told me that this product is less expensive, and at the same time, it does a bit more. And so the things that they sent me is that the ice cooling factor in this thing, which I'm guessing you're burning the hair and then it cools, you know, there's a feature in here that cools it down. Anyway, I don't know what that means, but this thing have it, and the more expensive Braun product does not have. So again, I'm not an expert in this, so hopefully, wow, look at this. This is a thick booklet right here. All right, you got yourself, first off, the gun, the hair dryer, I would say. It looks good. This thing looks really, really good. I actually do like the color on this. Yep, so here is this one. All right, so I'm supposed to be wearing these glasses as I'm doing it. I've only seen this done on TV, by the way. So today we gotta test it out. Oh, these look like my Oakleys that I wear. Oh wow. Let me just show you. It's like greenish when you put it on. So it's supposed to protect your eyes, I'm assuming. All right. I can't see anything right now, but oh, okay. Well, nice. It comes with a razor too. All right. So I'm definitely venturing into things that I have no idea right now, guys. So bear with me. Alrighty. Now that's out of the way. Let's see here. Can I just say how beautiful this product is? So first, let me wear this protective device. I cannot see anything in this thing, by the way. Everything is green right now to me. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Okay, so as soon as I turn it on, there's a fan, guys. I'm assuming this gets really hot. If you look at this number right here, this is how many times you can use this product. I mean, I think that's in the millions right there. You can flash it like a million times right there. So there's supposed to be 1 to 9 intensity level that I have read up. I believe that number 8 right there, that is the intensity level. So as I press this button, the intensity level goes down. All right, so I believe that I'm supposed to like shave my hair off right here first. And then what the treatment does is that it will kind of get rid of the hair right there so that it doesn't regrow. That's kind of the purpose of the treatment. There we go. It's no longer there. And supposedly this should remove the hair completely. Woo! That was a bright flash. Okay, so that's not bad. That's not bad at all. So, okay. So look, it went down once. I have a million flash on this thing. So this is why you wear the goggles right here, guys, because that laser flash is, wow, that was bright. That was bright. So it's a little hot. It's a little hot. Okay, I can definitely get used to this. Definitely getting used to this. It's a little hot for sure. All right, so a couple of things that I want to mention is that there is a manual and automatic mode on this. It's kind of interesting. Let me show you real quick. So I'm going to turn it on. So you can see right here, there should be like a little icon that's like right on the right hand side right here, but it's not. So if I were to hold down the button right here, it should turn on. You see that icon? That means that it's on automatic mode. So as soon as I put this thing on my skin, it should flash. But if I don't want that, then I just press it and then that icon goes off and then I can manually do what I need to do. So let's say if I were to flash it like right over here, I would press the button. I'm not wearing my goggles, so that's why I have to look away. But yeah, that's how you would do it. Manual and automatic mode. So I flashed it like 7 times on my skin, and the sensation on it is a little hot. Yeah, that's what I would say. And I think you're supposed to keep it on there so it will keep flashing like automatic flash. There is a manual and automatic mode on this thing, and so I believe what I had it on was automatic mode, which is cool. All right, that's pretty cool. I may have to try this like, you know, off camera. So a couple of things about this, and they sent me a little comparison chart between this and like the bronze that you buy out there. Okay, so a little stats right here that they sent me, and I honestly don't really know like what all of these things are, because once again, this is my first time using a product like this. But they said like this thing has an ice cooling kind of burning relief sensation. So versus the bronze, it doesn't have that, and other product, it doesn't have that. The wavelength on this looks like it's like 600 to 1200 versus the bronze like 530 to 1200. So it's about the same wavelength as the more expensive models. And the intensity level on this is 1 to 9 versus the bronze like 1 to 10, which honestly depends on what you mean by intensity. I guess you can see that as either way. So yeah, 1 to 9 versus 1 to 10 level. And I just know that this one right here is my first product, and so far I'm pretty impressed with this. I'm assuming that this laser thing is really strong in here. I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit more before I try on other parts of my body. But yeah, I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit more. Yeah, that's really good right there, guys. I'm really impressed. Let's see if my hair right here will actually grow back, because obviously that's the purpose, right? I flashed about like 7 times on the thing right here. Anyway, that's it for me right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this little experiment. Have a good one. Bye-bye.